All right, what is up, YouTube? Trying to show you this beast that we have here. I encounter a lot of strange things, and I want to show some of you guys. So this is an old oil boiler that seems to have been converted to gas. You can see everything down here. Get to focus. Look up some of these numbers. But see our guy right here. The thing that makes this thing kind of peculiar is, well, the thing is huge, but this section right here, solid fuel burning appliance. So some oil or some coal, not oil, wood or some coal or some, looks like we have some old pieces of wood in there. Some of the ash. So yeah, this thing is first one I've ever seen. Quite interesting. And little fan. Not sure if the power's onto it right now. But it's all hooked up into the ductwork, and this thing is massive. Just huge. I'm sure it's heavy. So we have a solid fuel burning furnace that also has an oil furnace on one side that has been converted to gas. So definitely don't see those every day. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys what I found. Later. And here you guys can see the two thermostats, what each one does. I'm assuming you could possibly even have this thing running simultaneously. Can't verify it right now. There's actually no gas at the property. No meter outside. This place was abandoned for a while. Seems like they came and redid the gas line at the street, and this place was abandoned at the time and did not get hooked up to the new system. So, yep. Trying to figure out what our next steps will be there. All right. Appreciate it. Have a good one.